At Proteus Leadership, we've always believed that leadership development should be flexible, relevant, and designed around you and your team. That's why in 2026, we're launching something brand new, our Design Your Own Leadership program, where you get to choose the topics and modules you want. With this new modular approach, you can now mix and match from a range of our proven topics and workshops to create a program that fits your people, your organisational goals, your schedule, and of course, your budget. Whether you want a short, powerful development series or a comprehensive, longer program, we can tailor it for every level of leadership in your organisation through virtual, face-to-face, or hybrid delivery options. Here's how it works. Start by choosing your core leadership pathway. For example, a journey for your up-and-coming leaders, or maybe you're focusing on your existing leadership group. Next, select your foundation topics that will make the core of your program. Then add some extra modules to complement the learning outcomes you're aiming for. You can then add the finishing touches by selecting one or more of our add-ons, a program launch, an embedding day, and a customised co-branded workbook cover. Our team can then help you structure a learning roadmap that's both strategic and practical. When it comes to investment, each module has a standard base price. But the more modules you include and the longer your program, the more value you'll receive through a sliding pricing structure. So whether you're building capability across your entire organisation or designing something for a specific team, Proteus Leadership will help you create a tailored learning experience that really works for you. Because leadership development should never be one size fits all. So if this is the type of flexibility you've been looking for, then head to our website, proteusleadership.com, to map out your program, or contact us on 1300 219 903 and work with one of our talented Proteus team members to design your own leadership program today.